hurry up though, her trunk is open. I don't want rain and water get in there and stuff. Look at that. So much rain, so much water. Wait, where's the pucks? Wait, what the hell? I guess I'm picking it up right here. It's weird, the pucks are not there. The pucks are supposed to be there. To pick it up just a little bit. Bro, look at my... Bro, I'm getting drenched. I need a little bit more power than that. I'll go ahead and put the wheel back here for you in the trunk. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It won't fit under. Is it still okay if I put it on top? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Do you have any towels or anything?
If not,
yeah, because it'll leave that ring right there.
It will leave it?
Yeah. Try to make a little towel for it. I mean, it'll be a lot better than nothing.
I'm sorry. I know.
Oh, no, it's okay. I'm just doing my job.
I know, but it's raining.
It makes it a little bit more fun. I don't know. At least it's not hot.
Will this cover it?
It should. Cover most of it, at least.
Okay, tell me.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty
there
good.
There we go. Just
like that's pretty good.
Yeah. There we go. And then on the other side, yeah, it should be all covered all around.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right. Let's dip our knee in there. Damn. No. Getting all wet. Make sure this thing's not going nowhere. Check the air. Bro, look at my jeans, bro. They're like shiny because they're so wet. Go ahead and air the thing up. Make sure this thing got the air in it. Come on, bro. You're slipping on me. There we go. I'm just gonna make sure that this tire has 60 PSI in it, because that's what it takes for these small little donuts. Let that air up. Yeah, it does look a little bit low, so I'm just gonna let it air up right now. I just need to get her signature. That should be all. 60 PSI. But this has to be a sewer or something, because this smells like the restroom or something, man. Or is it my tire gauge? Hello. I know I look ridiculous, but thank you for letting me record. I'll go ahead and blur you out and the license plate, everything. The only thing I need is just your signature. At the bottom, there's just an agreement that someone need to come in here and help you out. All the other stuff is for me to fill out to the case info that I have. If you want, you can take a picture of it after you sign it. Some people want to take a picture of what they sign and stuff like that.
It can even be free though.
I'm sorry?
It can even be free.
Yes, that's just the reimbursement we get for the dealership to come, because we work with another company to come do it.
Okay, so where do I do?
So just at the bottom, yeah. Sorry, I know you got all drenched right now.
I know, it's like, is that okay?
No, yeah, that's good. Thank you so much.
That you fixed it?
Yes, yes, yes. And then let me double check. Yeah. All right, yeah, you're all good. The tire was, yeah, you're all good. The tire was looking a little low, but I aired it up for you.
Oh, sorry.
I know, it's okay. The spare tire, yeah, it's all right.
What's the max speed you can do on?
So it says 80, what is it, kilometers?
Okay.
No, yeah, but that should be like 55 miles an hour. As long as you're not going 70, you should be okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank you
All right,
so much.
Thank you. Have a great day. Oh my goodness.